With the 30 and also here at the sitting bone. It's a burning sensation more in the evening and at night.
Okay.
Tiene la sensación de quemadura que es más fuerte al final del día y la noche.
Would you mind to show people? Yes. And this way? Okay. So the
that's
hip,
really a Dutch
the
problem.
burning
Yes.
here and here.
And here.
Okay, sorry. Here and
And
buttock
here.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And I'm going to palpate, and when you feel tender, you let me know.
Lo mismo, voy a apoyar y cuando siente que es sensible te
Yes.
te
Thank
entiendo.
you.
Yes.
I know you're trying to help me, but then later it will be hard for you, so I prefer you to tender here.
Yes.
Oh. Thank you.
Yes, but less.
Is that lung meridian?
I'm on the heart.
Heart.
Meridiano del corazón.
And then I'm going to palpate here. Tender here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one more.
Yeah.
Now I'm on the lung channel.
Ahora estoy en el pulmón.
And here. Oh, okay. Okay, very good.
Breathe.
Thank you. Breathe in, breathe out.
It's
Yeah.
blown away. The pain is blown away.
Okay, you can stand up and just try a little bit.
Siente que el dolor se está yendo.
Yeah, it's gone.
It's completely gone?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Give me 5. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I have pain here.
Acupuncture works. Pain here so you don't feel that one.
I don't.